Hello and welcome. I'm going to be answering NECO 2019 Commerce Objective Past Question 35. Which of the following is referred to as a one-man business? A. Limited liability company. B. Joint venture. C. Partnership. D. Public corporation. And E. Sole proprietorship. So we are looking at various concepts here, and we are to pick out the one which is most often referred to as the one-man business. So let's look at what each of the options entail. Now, the limited liability company is a private company whose owners are legally responsible for its debts only to the extent of the capital they invested. Now, option B, which is joint venture, is a commercial enterprise undertaken jointly by two or more parties which otherwise retain their different identities. Option C, which is partnership, is a type of business in which 2 to 20 persons agree legally to set up and manage with the sole aim of making profit. Option D, which is public corporation, is a large-scale business organization set up, owned, and financed by the government, and its main aim is to provide services to the members of the public, while the sole proprietorship is a form of business enterprise owned, financed, and managed by one person with the sole aim of making profit. So option E, which is the sole proprietorship, is operated, owned, financed, and managed by just one person. Hence, it is often referred to as a one-man business. So the correct answer is E, sole proprietorship. Please subscribe to this YouTube channel for more videos and for more past questions and answers. Thank you.